Hey guys, Pevin here, and today we are going to do some quick coding video. So here we have the MyNavi landing page. We have the login box powered by Clerk, which is working perfectly right now. But when I change it to dark mode, this is still in light mode. I just want to change this to dark. So let's go into the code. Here we have the sign in button. I'm just gonna add appearance to this, and let's add a base theme. So when I change this to dark, it will change to dark, I'm assuming, and I'll probably import the dark theme from Clerk themes. Perfect. Yeah, so now it should be dark all the time. Perfect. And it should be dark here also. Okay, so now I have to change it to light mode in light theme or dark mode in dark theme. Let's do that. So there should be resolved theme. Maybe I can import it. Let's just import use theme from next theme and const resolved theme from use theme. Perfect. So resolved theme, oh there's no, so what does use theme have? Let's go to its definition and go to this definition. It does have something. Okay, that's a spelling mistake. Perfect. So if the resolve theme is dark, it will add the dark, or it will be undefined. Perfect. I think that's it. So we'll refresh this page. So now this is in light theme, the input box is light, and this is in dark theme, and the input box is dark. Yeah, so that's it. A quick change. Clerk gives us all the themes and everything necessary. We just have to update this in here. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.